Hello, I'm Phil Keller of Circle Prosco. I'm the Technical Service Manager. I've been with Circle Prosco for 16 years. Today I'd like to share with you ways that you can tell how your parts are clean. First of all, we'll look at how the water goes across and actually breaks into these small beads. The small beads are showing you that there's dirt on the panel itself. Now, on the contrary, when you're looking at the clean panel, as the water goes on, you'll see a complete wash and no break on that panel, which is telling you that you've removed the soils and your panel is now clean. You can also do your testing with a chem wipe, or what we call the white cloth test. With the white cloth test, you just take a white cloth and you rub it across the panel. Now, there may be a specification with the number of times that you do rub it, but you might look into that for your company. But as you can see, there's a lot of soil being transferred just from the wipe of the cloth on a dirty panel. So with a quick white cloth test, you can tell whether you have a dirty panel or not. Now, under the same conditions, here's what happens with the clean panel. You take your white cloth, you rub it across, and same thing, same number of panel wipes. You raise it up to see what the soil level is on your white cloth, and as you can see, the panel is clean after being washed. Another set of tests that you can run is called Dyne testing, where you take an actual pen or a marker and you rub across the panel, with it being a dirty panel and a clean panel. And you'll see that as these panels start, that they'll get a run or an actual polarization of the part and panel itself. On the clean, you see no marking of the marker itself and no breaking of that panel film. Now, the range of the Dyne pens goes from 36 to 46, and that'll tell you the cleanliness of, actually quantify the cleanliness of the panel and the cleaning itself. As you can see, the 40 has a complete constant film across it, and the 36 is breaking very badly. We'll see a little bit of non-polarization in the middle of the 40, and over here we see a constant complete film. Now we'll be looking at the 46, which is the highest range that we have. As you can see, the parts down below, or the numbers down below, have still gotten the breaks on them. And 46 is showing some breaks here, and you can especially see the dirty soil area that stands out like a sore thumb right here. That's telling me that that is a piece of soil that is still on the part from our cleaning. Now, overall, the Dyne test is showing you that you can quantify a number. So if you're going to give a cleanliness number to somebody, they'll understand whether it's 36, which is a low cleaning, or a 46, which is a high cleaning. But you can see overall, you can take one look and see the areas and the distance that you have cleaned. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video today. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out and contact somebody at Circle Prosco. We'll be more than willing to help you.